Okay, so over the weekend, I put together a sort of hacky solution to automate document creation. And this is the second time I'm running it. This is the first time that I'm running it and expecting it to do a good job right out of the gate. So let's go ahead and see if we can make this run well. So this is some test data that I've put in here. You can see it hopefully from your screen. It's just some dummy information about a particular entity. And then I'm going to ask the AI to generate a company agreement for this new entity. So with that, I will kick things off. So I'm going into my command prompt and I'm typing in that I need to create an operating agreement for a new entity. The context is too long for you to draft in one document. Split your drafts into logical sections and create one document per logical section. And begin. And we'll see what happens. If any sort of sticking points come up, I'll go ahead and flag them for you. Okay, right now in the command line, the AI is reading this file with the dummy information. And it's looking at templates. So I should clarify that in this environment, I have a folder that contains this document that you can see here, and then I have another folder that has like old templates and notes and just uh, things to consider when drafting a operating agreement. So the AI is able to access and read those, but there is no complete document with this information inside of it. Okay, here we go. So now it's creating the documents. So the name and the creation date look right to me. I set it to 77% of membership interest voting. Any member may call a meeting, that's true. Meetings can be skipped. Oh, that's cool. It's it's making a table of contents and it looks like it's got clickable links. I think that's what that was. Yeah. Let's look at this. So, company agreement of Promise Legal Test Tech LLC as of tax day. Single member. Can't remember if I did single member. Oh, I did. You know, as I'm reviewing this, it looks right, but I'm realizing I should have input something where it like flags the changes for you. So highlights or something like that. So that way you can see where the information is that it like pulled from my data here, or where it made a judgment call, you know, versus like what I have in my templates. Page 2. Pretty good formatting too. I haven't spotted an error here yet. So this is not something I typically put in my agreement. So this is something that I picked up. I don't know what this is. I'll look it up after this video. I don't know if it's something I would actually want to use, but the process itself is something I do use. Page 5. This is pretty solid. Nice cover sheet. Oh, nice. It even pulls out. I did not instruct it to do that, but it has like a short form of like key information. It's pretty awesome. All right, that's it. Yeah, so it looks, I mean, for a single member LLC, this looks right. Um, the only issue being the disputes. Forget where that, I think that was over here somewhere. Oh, let's look at the cover page. Where's the disputes thing? Here it is. Let's see if the link actually works. It might not. And it does. This is awesome. Okay. Yeah, the Center for Public Resources. Here, let me actually just look it up on my phone real quick. It's an international body. Oh yeah, it seems legit. It might not be something I would actually include. Sort of depends. But like, I have no complaints. I don't think I would look at this as an attorney reviewing it for someone else and say this is problematic. So I think we did it, you guys. We built a document generation thing that's actually really good. I'll try some more complicated stuff and see what I can get, but I'm pretty pleased with the outcome. Um, Honestly, for like a weekend hack, this is way better than I could have expected. Like I said, this is the second time I ran this thing. So with a demo, you all know it's gonna break when you use it. But the first time I ran it, it worked, and the second time, this time, I gave just a little bit of extra information about the context. That was the only issue I ran into, and it seems to have handled it expediently. Awesome. All right. Well, that's it for this video. But if anyone has any other ideas, feel free to hit me up.